So the first one is connect the oscilloscope probe to the calibration terminal, usually labeled 1 kHz and 2 VPP. Select channel 1 and set the coupling to DC. And then adjust the time per division and volt per division knob until you can clearly see a square wave. Connect channel 2 the output waveform and connect channel 1 of the oscilloscope to the input waveform. Observe both signal on the screen. The output waveform will lag behind the input waveform due to the capacitor effect. Finally, repeat the experiment by charging the frequency to 20 kHz in increasing the voltage to 7 VPP, then observe the difference.
So, to calculate the waveform, first we must find the VPP. To find VPP, the formula is VPP equal to number of division multiplied by volt per division. So number of division, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and volt per division is 1 volt. So the VPP equal to 6 volt. To find VP, the formula is VP equal to VPP division 2. So our VP is 6 volt division 2 equal to 3 volt. So after find VPP, we must find time. To find time, the formula is time equal to number of division multiply time per division. Okay, so equal to our number division time is 1, 2 multiplied by our time per division is 0.5 millisecond. So take the calculator to multiply 0.5 millisecond equal to 1 millisecond. After find the time, we must find the frequency. The formula frequency is F equal to 1 per time. So our time is 1 millisecond. So take the calculator. 1, we will find 1 kilohertz. That's all.